In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and chain custom skills in Claude Code for automated code reviews. First, open Claude Code. If you're using the desktop app, launch it as usual. If you prefer the command line, run Claude Code. Either way, you'll land in the environment where skills can be created and managed. Next, open the Skills Manager by typing /skills. This brings up the skills dashboard inside Claude Code, where you can see existing skills and create new ones. It's a good idea to keep this panel open while you work so you can quickly switch between editing and testing. Create a new skill by entering Create Skill. You'll be prompted to fill in a few fields. For the name, enter Code Reviewer. For the description, use Review code for bugs, style issues, security, and performance problems. For category or type, select or type code analysis, utility. Clear names and categories make it much easier to reuse and chain skills later. Now define the skill prompt. This is the core behavior the skill follows every time it runs. Paste the following as the prompt. You are a senior software engineer. Your job is to review code carefully, check for bugs, security issues, performance problems, best practices, and readability. Provide specific fixes and suggestions. Keep the language direct and action-oriented so the output is practical and easy to apply. Optionally, assign tools to extend what the skill can do. For many code tasks, enabling terminal or bash lets the skill run simple shell checks. File read and write allows it to inspect and modify project files. An API call provides a way to reach external services. Only enable what you need for your workflow. Save the skill by typing /save skill. You should now see it listed in your skills dashboard. Test your new skill by invoking it with Use Code Reviewer. Then paste a small snippet, for example, function add AB, return A plus B. Claude will analyze the code and return targeted suggestions or fixes. Try a few variations to see how it handles different patterns and edge cases. To expand your toolkit, repeat the same create, define, and save flow for additional specialized skills. For example, make a test generator that writes unit and integration tests, a docs writer that produces clean README and code documentation, and a debugger